Let me show you how I make my catfish dinner. I started off by heating up my cast iron skillet, and then I'm going to heat up my avocado oil. I want to use about 3/4 of a bottle of avocado oil. I get my catfish from Costco, and this pack was $34.16, $8.99 a pound. So I like to slice my catfish in half, just like that. What I do is I get a sheet tray and I lay it down. Callie kicked you? Keep your feet to yourself, Missy. Everybody in the family absolutely loves catfish. I usually lay my fish flat and then season it, but I add a little bit extra because I'm gonna mix it all up. But this gives me a rough estimate of how much seasoning I'm gonna put on the fish. So I got some Slappy Mama seasonings, lemon pepper, only like a couple of seasonings because all of these seasonings have salt in it already. Heavy on the black pepper. My husband loves black pepper, and so do I. Like, he taught me how to make fried catfish, but I use some other seasonings that he doesn't use and just come up with something that's delicious. A little bit of onion powder.
And I got my Mickey Mouse thing upstairs.
You got your Mickey Mouse thing upstairs?
Yeah. You brought that for me?
What is it?
A card for Mickey Mouse.
Oh, okay.
And then I got the dinosaur. Why?
And then a little bit of paprika.
Right there. I'm a talking dinosaur.
Got my little helper right here. He was playing in the toothpaste today. The whole tube of Sensodyne toothpaste is gone. You can mix this barehanded, but I'm just going to use a glove this time to mix everything up. Make sure you rub all of the catfish, though. You want it perfectly seasoned. Why are you poking my back?
He was trying to eat you.
The dinosaur?
Yeah.
By poking, like stabbing it in my back? That hurts, you know?
Why won't you eat this? Why won't
It's not very nice.
eat you?
That's not very nice.
I wanted him to eat you. Eat you.
The catfish is all mixed up. Seasoned pretty good. Look at this. Okay. I got 1/3 of a cup of Bob's red meal gluten-free flour. And then I got a whole cup of cornmeal. I do want to lightly season up my batter or my mix. A little bit more pepper, lemon pepper. You can go lighter on the seasonings if you want to. Paprika, onion powder. Kenna, you really messed my back up. I don't know what you did. For extra crunch, 1/8 of a cup of cornstarch. Mix up the flour completely. Everything has to be blended up together. Let's go ahead and toss our catfish inside of the mix. You can use your hands if you need to, but I prefer chopsticks. Okay, look at that. I'm just gonna go and use a glove. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay. I'm gonna coat all the catfish all at once, so when I do throw them in the oil, they'll get an even cook. So look, just get it in the flour or the mix. Toss it around, make sure it's all covered up. Get a couple in there. I don't want to do too much at the same time because I want them evenly coated. I don't want the batter to clump up. So my fire is on medium high. Fish does not take long to cook, but I like my catfish fried hard. I do not like soggy catfish, and that's why I added extra cornstarch. Don't touch the fish until they're about halfway done frying, so the coating does not come off. Okay, now look, so it's not fried hard enough for me. Go ahead and flip it over. Okay, this one is pretty solid. Look at this. Perfectly done. You ready to eat? Say fish?
Yeah.
Fish.
Yay.
Fish. Who?
Mm.
Who? You want now? Ouchie. You want? Yeah, hot. Hi.
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 Shiny is my meat. Shiny is my meat.
Oh, okay, look. When you flip your food, you flip it away from you, okay? I'll flip that one a little bit too early. Okay, well, let's just go this way.
Away from you.
Flip it away from you so the oil doesn't splash on you, okay? Just like that. You ready to eat? Want to eat? You ready to eat? Yeah. All right. Flip it over and let it cook the rest of the way. Say cook. Cook. I got some rice. One whole catfish. And then one big scoop of cabbage. Ooh. Fresh hot dinner plate. I gotta stop it. I got white jasmine rice, a fish, hot. I want 2 pieces. And then since I do absolutely love my vegetables, what's the problem? I'm gonna get a big old scoop. Look at this.